Welcome to Little Kids Learners. Today we learn about preposition of place. Let's start. The dog is beside the ball. Yes, the dog is beside the ball. The dog is in the dog house. Yes, the dog is in the dog house. The dog is in front of the dog house. Yes, the dog is in front of the dog house. The dog is behind the dog house. Yes, the dog is behind the dog house. The dog is between the dog house and the tree. Yes, the dog is between the dog house and the tree. The dog is on the dog house. Yes, the dog is on the dog house. The dog is under the tree. Yes, the dog is under the tree. The butterfly is above the dog. Yes, the butterfly is above the dog. Thank you for watching. Oi kiddos! Don't forget to subscribe channel and see my other videos.